Technology is super confusing. That's why we're going to talk to an expert about how you can automate your home and add in cameras and other features to it. Let's chime in. How you doing today?
Hey,
I'm
good.
Andy.
How are you? I'm Ben. Good to meet you.
Ben. So tell us a little bit about what got you started.
Yeah. So we started at Alaska Smart Home Designs because we love integrating technology into home life, making things easier. Those mundane tasks we don't like doing every time.
Absolutely.
We automate those to take those stressors off, not having to worry about your lights left on when you leave home. One of the big things that we face in Alaska is garage doors being left open in the middle of winter.
Bears
right?
get inside,
freeze
the whole
up your
9
home.
yards.
Yeah, absolutely. So we automate all of those things to be able to take your home to the next level of safety, security, and just comfort.
That's awesome.
And that's you hit the nail on the head. We aim to put the control back into the homeowner's hands.
Yeah.
We don't do any monitoring or anything. We want you to be empowered to take your home where you want it to be.
That's awesome. So tell me a little bit about your best sellers. What do you have featured here today?
Some of the products that we're really proud of is the new line of security cameras and automations from Ubiquiti. They're super easy to set up. This whole setup right here, I literally set up in 15 minutes.
Wow.
Just 15 minutes from zero out of the box straight to setup. The hardest part is the automations.
Yeah.
People get tied up on the automations. How do I make it smart? How do I make the door open when I get home? Using my app, my watch, right? You get home, you have bags of groceries in your hand, you can't unlock the door, let the house do it for you.
I love that. See, and I think going towards the future, we're going to need more experts to kind of walk us through the baby steps of how to use that and the functionality of all this new technology that's coming up. And I'm assuming that's why you're here.
Absolutely.
So.
I spent 20 years in information technology, and I've done everything that you can think of. One of the things my passion is about cybersecurity, protecting people. We really promote is security, privacy, data protection.
That is
so
massive.
All of these systems don't go to the cloud. Nobody has access to them. You don't store them anywhere. Everything is in your home.
Yeah.
You own it. That's it.
That's what we like. I love it.
That's
so somebody who's interested, how do they get a hold of you? Where do they find you?
They can find us at www.akshd.co, Alaska Smart Home Designs. Keep up with us. We always have new products coming out. Super excited about a new smart panel that is coming out for a whole home energy management and monitoring. And it's really taking the home builders to the next level of sustainability in their home designs.
Fantastic. I love it. And that's why we come to the expert. Thanks for taking the time.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay updated. Stay safe.